evening, good morning. It's very windy. This is going smooth. I wanted to do a little tiny reading for you guys out here. I still don't have the microphone thing. Are we going to try? Well, this might be very annoying with the audio. Anyway. I took this one because I just wanted to pull one card and hope and pray that the audio is not messed up because of the wind. The wind is bringing in the new. Okay? I'm just throwing everything down. Oh, 111. But this is so nice. Oh, and I have my 1-1 necklace. This is still, I mean, no. Apparently my skin doesn't like the sun at all. Okay. So we are just pulling one card, whatever spirit, whatever the wind wants you to know. Okay. Please, wind, don't destroy the audio. Okay. Wow. Begin now. Take your first step. I can feel like the energy has shifted. I'm gonna see if there's one more, but begin now. Whatever it is that you want to do. Should we see if there's more? What else? So nice out. Reaching your destination. We have another butterfly. You just seen the other reading I posted about my expansion, my release, and my new manifestation thing. Calm your tits. Calm down. I go away because I saw something that actually makes sense for something else that I some days ago, and there was like a lot of fur, and it's laying here like a lot of fur. First, my brother was like, "Did someone dig up Moon?" Sad thought. Oh no, Moon's over there. Okay. What is this wind bringing? Swallow the distance. Well, mystery, secret is revealed with me finding the fur. I think it's from maybe the bird's nest. I'm not sure where it's from actually. But yeah, it was spread out on the thingy in the grass. It's like, what the hell happened here? You are beginning now. Where is that card now? You're manifesting your dreams. Again, castle, I mean. Ooh. I'm here, people. Stepping into power, you are strong beyond measure. grounded. Go deep, explore your roots. Watching clouds. Oh, there's no clouds today. Surrender to the journey. Release control. Valiant courage. Valley. What is that word? Take action with passion. That is the message. A little short one. Hopefully with a good audio. 616, that's a new relationship coming in. And it's very important to ground yourself. Okay, that is going to be it from me to you. I'm going to show you guys what I saw. Then maybe some of you guys are going to be like, yeah, that is what it good. See, this is why I took a long dress on today, because the sun is shining. It is windy. Ooh. Hello, bird. Oh, a little sign from the universe. That was like almost landing on you guys. Oh, that's the other side. What wonders we are manifesting now that we have released what we can control. You are so close. Something is happening, people. Gone it is. Okay. I'm taking you guys with me. But look. Can you guys see? There's like fur there. And there. Well, it's like I don't want to let you go, but I have to. I have to end this at some point, right? I'm gonna just stand here so you guys can enjoy the wind. That's it, people. I'll see you guys tomorrow.